All right, now on number 4. The first line looks completely different. It says y equals 1. When you have y equals just a number, it's actually going to be a flat line, a horizontal line, that goes through the y-axis at 1. So it's going to be a horizontal line that crosses through the y-axis at 1. Just like this. If that would have said x equals 1, it would have been a vertical line that crossed through the x-axis at 1. So if it's y equals, it crosses through the y-axis. If it's x equals, it crosses through the x-axis.
So if it was x equals, oh.
Mm-hmm. And then my second line has a y-intercept of what?
Negative 1.
-1. And a slope of -2. How do I make that a fraction? Over 1. When you have a negative slope, that negative needs to go either in the top or in the bottom. It does not go in both. So for example, I'll write it up here. You don't have to actually, well, you can write this down. But if you have a slope, I'll write it up here. If you have a slope of -1/2, it's better to rewrite that with the negative either in the top or in the bottom, like -1/2. And that would tell you that you go down 1, right 2.
What if you don't meet on a dot?
If you don't meet on a point, you probably messed up somewhere. A slope that's a negative number goes down like that. A slope that's a positive slope should kind of go up. So if you have a negative number that's your slope, it should go down. You've done it correctly. Okay. So back to our number 4. I have a -2/1, which is down 2, right 1. So go down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. Or what can I do with my arrows? Reverse them, flip them. So I could go up and left, and it'll still stay within that line. So up 2, left 1.
See,
Well,
you didn't cross over the point. That's what I was asking.
well, technically that's a point. Technically, every one of these is a point.
Oh, well, that's what I was asking.
I thought you meant if you didn't cross like right in the corner.
I think you're recording that.
So this point right here is the solution. What is that coordinate?
-1, positive.
Yep. -1, 1. I want you to try number 6 on your own. So this is what you should have for number 6. This was your first line. Your second line, you originally got just these 2 points down here at the bottom, and you needed to go backwards to see where it would cross. And they cross at -3, 3.